Good morning from Danang. Look at this beautiful car here. It's still raining. It's still raining since 3 or 4 days. But it's not that strongly raining anymore. So we can have a little bit of a walk through the neighborhood here, through the An Thuong neighborhood. You can see the Pumbas over there. And we're gonna check out, hello! We're gonna check out the An Thuong 5 Street. Because I feel like there are a lot of new restaurants there. And we'll see what's new there. Try it out maybe soon. What is this? Merry Christmas. Okay. It's interesting. Everywhere is Christmas themed. Even though they don't really celebrate Christmas, I think. What is this? Oh, it's a shady shop. There we see a very stylish coffee shop, which is not my taste. Because, you know, I like Vietnamese strong uncle coffees. They have a lot of kois here. And if you sit over there, you can make some very Instagrammable photos. Now this is here the street where all the bars are. Could call it the bar street. And it starts over there, straight ahead. There's some sports bars, the corner bar, and a few other places where people gather in the evening to drink. It's not really a party place, it's more like a dive bar scene, I think. But yeah, this is An Thuong 5. An Thuong 5, we start with the sports bar here, and then straight away a co-working space. Co-working, coffee shop, and they even have ice bath upstairs. Marcus loves to go there to work, I don't know. Then we have lots of Vietnamese restaurants, spas, a little mini mart, Bunja Obama. I'm wondering if there's gonna be another famous food if Trump comes here. Maybe Mi Quang Trump or something like this. I think Trump was here in Danang in 2018. Hello. Okay. So what do we have here? Massage, shampoos, apartments. So there are a lot of apartments here. I think, hello. What is this? So there are a lot of apartment buildings here. That might be a good place to live here. Should review them soon. So Passion Cafe. I had a banana coffee there once. That was the first banana coffee. But it's basically just a banana smoothie with Vietnamese coffee inside. Somewhere here has to be a new Italian restaurant. I don't know where. So this is epic Vietnamese food, but it's also halal. It's pretty interesting. But I don't see the new Italian restaurant. It's interesting. A friend told me he has a new restaurant, but I cannot find it. Who's this? Who's this? Are you following me, bro?
Yeah,
Look at this.
yeah.
You have no right to be here. That's how dogs are.
I wanted to be in the walking video again.
Okay. So dogs here, generally, if you approach them, they will run away because they are just barking. Because somehow they're all protecting their places. But yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
Is it raining or not? No.
Yeah, a little.
Little.
It's just little.
Do you see my new Mercedes-Benz umbrella? So, guys, I'm representing Germany here always.
Yeah, that's what I'm heading to
Hive?
co-working.
Yeah, I just talked about it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm heading there for a couple hours,
Okay.
doing something on our video, and then
Okay.
just eating later.
All right. Okay. I think I'm gonna walk to the coffee shop and make my video. All right. See you later, bro. Yeah. You see, you know where you're safe from the Germans. Bloody Germans. All right. Here. Also, sometimes he also goes here to work. He says there are very nice tables, and always same temperature, open space. Now we are approaching Outpost on the right and the Kong Coffee on the left. It's still pretty busy. And sometimes they're just pulling up some tour buses and then it's packed. And this is gonna be super interesting, this place. It's gonna be a hotel, and you better believe I will be the first who's reviewing it. Oji Yakitori. Very, very, very good place. It's always, I love consistency, and they are always consistent. Really nice. Nice little meat sticks and good ramen for $3 or something. Pretty interesting. And here's also a very popular coffee shop, H Coffee. What's new here in the street? So let's check out this street here. I think there's gonna be a brand new apartment building. You can see here, not much safety equipment. He's just wearing flip-flops, no glasses. But yeah, they're built different. But look at this new apartment building. I think it's gonna be done in a few weeks. Looks pretty impressive already from outside. Look. They just built this. It's like very new. There's still hardcore construction up there, but the building is there. And it could be something very interesting. This is in the An Thuong 9, okay? So if you want to look it up, An Thuong 9. There's also a gym. How you doing? A gym right there. The Mian Sports Center. And Gildas. I think this is mainly for pizza and some American dishes, I think. A coffee shop. Hello. Hello. So this is An Thuong 9. So the next street will be not An Thuong 10, but another main street. So only the main streets don't have the An Thuong numbers in front of it. But here, this is also, we're coming back to the nightlife area, or the dive bar scene area. That's an Eastern European place, I think. Another coffee shop over here. Interesting, this is also brand new. And this is always very busy. Blends, social bar. It's like a bar with a DJ in the evening or on the weekend, basically. And this here is the chill bar, heaven. Very relaxed people. And this whole street is pretty busy at night. The interesting thing about Vietnam, especially Danang, so many new places pop up all the time. This is Slavic cuisine. Interesting. Another Crossroads corner bar here. And now we're on the main street, Mai Tuk Lan. Okay. So this street goes all the way to the north, to Santra. So this is a very, very long street, and it starts over here. So here, this Mike's place we reviewed one time, the apartment. I'm gonna link that below. It's also a Q&A. Very interesting place. Mike's place. I don't know how to rent there. Oh, okay, room for rent. Now they have a contact there. And it is right next to Vietnam. Vietnam is a Vietnamese fusion, and also they have these very, very good poke bowls. Poke, rainbow poke. And upstairs is a steakhouse. I never tried a steakhouse, but I tried the poke bowl very often, very good. And there's also this very nice burger in the Vietnam there. The burger is made out of soft pork belly, stewed, and the bun is the bun bao material. The bun bao burger, very interesting. So they call it baoger. Okay. So this is basically what the guy on the motorbike always selling, but in between they have stewed pork belly. Nice. Now we are here on this big intersection again with the co-working space on the left, high 4, and this one is a traditional beer place. This is always busy in the evening. People drink beer, very cheap beer. Hello. Very cheap beer, but also very good food. I really like this type of food. It's like tapas and beer, just the Vietnamese way. Small dishes, very fast, very nice dishes. I love the pork belly and the shrimp sauce together. Beautiful. But not for everyone. There's another apartment rental. Apartment rent for short term and long term. Juan Kivim 68. Here guys, if you want to live in this area, okay. I'm gonna go and walk to the An Thuong 29 or 34 or something like this. So while all An Thuongs 1 to 16 or something is all in this parallel street here, then the other ones are just random. Very random. And here you can see again the issues you will always encounter here with walking on the walkway. So they just thought like, you know what, let's make some flowers here and let everyone have to go on the street. I really don't know why. Look at this, it's just a waste. Just give us maybe 2 meters of this walkway to walk. But it's not important to them. Here, this is pretty good to walk, to be honest. Even though there's a little bit of parking going on, but that's fine. Somewhere, you have to park somewhere, right? But this is okay, you see. If you still can walk, then it's all fine. But definitely, if you have issues with walking, you have to find a spot that is walkable. The area where you live, where you can walk basically to the essentials, like coffee shops or little mini marts. So you don't have the issue always to go on the street and off the street. And then basically just take a, oh my god, now it's getting windy again. Ooh. There's some outbursts of wind non-stop. The rain is okay-ish, but sometimes it's just like coming this hardcore wind. Not sure if there's a storm lingering around the ocean. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. So this is An Thuong 34, I believe. An Thuong 34, yes. Very residential. You can live here, but you're still in the heart of everything. But the only problem here is most of the apartments are very small. There are some one-bedroom apartments, but usually they're studios and very narrow. So it's not the easiest thing to find big apartments, like 2-bedroom apartments with lots of space. It's possible, but not that easy here. You always have to look out for the big buildings, and then there will be something. Oh, look at this, another massage shop. It's brand new too. Also nails. Hello. Shampooing, everything. It's a new shop?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll make a video, yeah. Okay, have a good day. Okay, I think it's more for a woman, but lots of gel nails and everything. But hair washing is actually nice. No matter if you see the hair wash thing, just let your hair wash. It's a very nice experience. It's like 30 minutes of a head and neck massage. And afterwards, your hair smells very well. Okay, I'm gonna get a coffee right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped. It's today. I'll upload this and see you on the next one.